This is the Olympic College Career Center presenting a short tutorial on how to navigate a virtual job fair. A virtual format will enhance the job fair experience, allowing you to meet with employers, interact with recruiters through video, audio, or chat, discover new career opportunities, make an impression, bring your unique perspective to the table, ask great questions, and follow up with recruiters after the fair. Before the fair, make sure you develop a strong resume. Review and research employers, become familiar with technology, and prepare a 30-second elevator pitch. To create a professional resume, make sure you review the resume samples and templates on the Career Center webpage. For assistance creating a resume or to have it reviewed by a career coach, contact us at the Career Center at olympic.edu. Make sure you review and research employers. Review the list of 50 employers. Make a list of employers you would like to speak with. Familiarize yourself with their goals, products, services, and view any openings they might have listed at this time by viewing their website. Check their social media accounts for other valuable information about the company culture. Become familiar with the technology. Ensure you have a good internet connection in a quiet room without distractions. Test your connection, camera, and microphone. Ensure you have a clutter-free professional or blank background. Blank backgrounds, such as a sterile wall or a closet door, reduces distortion. Prepare a 30-second elevator pitch. This is how you answer the question, tell me about yourself. Make sure you market your unique strengths, include your field of study, year of college, and expected graduation, past experiences, transferable skills, and certification, and your future goals. In this sample elevator pitch, the student stated their name, when they would be graduating, what their degree was in, past work experience, skills, certifications, and future plans of obtaining a bachelor degree. Make sure you have a list of questions to ask the employers, such as, what kind of entry-level positions exist within your company? Does your company hire on a continual basis or just at certain times of the year? How long does the hiring process take? What qualities does your company look for in an employee? How many new employees or interns is your company looking to hire? And what makes your company unique compared to other companies? During the fair, know the location, use technology etiquette, and be aware of body language and communication. The location of the job fair is located on the Olympic College website. When you see Virtual Job Fair 2021, select the More tab. Once you get to the job fair page, select Join via Zoom hyperlink. You may join a breakout room by choosing an employer you would like to speak with. Once you are finished talking to the employer, you can exit the breakout room by choosing to leave breakout room. Return to the main session, and then you may choose another employer to talk with, and repeat the same process. Be sure to practice technology etiquette. Remember to mute unless speaking. If possible, use headphones. It is easier to hear employers and audio is clearer for them too. If breakout room is occupied, wait a few minutes before entering to allow other students to have time with the employer. Be aware of body language and communication. This includes nonverbal and verbal communication. For nonverbal communication, your eye contact should be open and direct when listening, asking, and responding to questions. Look at the camera, or at least the employer's face. Employers understand that you are looking at them, even if your eyes are not directly at the camera. Make sure your facial expression conveys sincerity, because this can add or detract from your words. Don't be afraid to smile. Your voice tone should be firm, warm, and relaxed. Timing. It is okay to pause before and while you are answering a question. Your hands should be used in a relaxed way for animation, communicating excitement or interest. Be careful to not wave your hands too high just so they can be seen on camera. The more natural you are, the better. Your posture should be well balanced, upright, relaxed, face forward. Try not to slouch if you are sitting at your computer. Practice verbal communication by engaging in conversation, by responding to employers' questions concisely, then ask your prepared questions. Awkward talking at the same time will happen. That's okay. Smile or laugh it off and defer to the employer. It shows your flexibility and professional nature. Offer your resume if it feels appropriate. Be aware that many recruiters have online resume submissions now. As you wrap up the conversation, thank the employer for their time and ask what the next step is. Be respectful that other students may be waiting behind you. After the fair, view and apply to open jobs or internships. Keep the momentum going from your meetings with the employers. If you receive contact information, send them an email. Reintroduce yourself. They meet a lot of students, and thank them for their time. Send a thank you email within 1 to 3 days of the fair and add employers you spoke with as a connection on LinkedIn. You can send an initial or additional resume in your thank you email. And again, remind the employers of your strengths and interests. Remember to include your name, school, date of the meeting, and remind them of something specific from your conversation. A thank you letter example and template is located on the Career Center webpage. Here is an example of a thank you for the interview letter. Make sure to keep it professional. And thank the employer for talking with you at the job fair. Make sure you mention what day it was and what school you had the job fair. Reiterate your interest in the position or company. If you have something to say that you forgot, make sure you mention it. Students, do you want to win an Amazon gift card? If so, attend the fair, meet with at least 3 employers, and then fill out the event survey for a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card. Please note that only current students are eligible. In conclusion, I'd like to mention that the virtual job fair is on May 5th from 12 to 3 p.m. It's never too early to start working on resumes. Begin by gathering information to put on your resume and work on becoming proficient with new skills. To receive a resume and cover letter critique or assistance, or to schedule a mock interview, contact the Career Center at careercenter@olympic.edu. And I hope you enjoy attending the Olympic College Career Center Virtual Job Fair.